Hello and welcome. This is the one that I did yesterday, and it's the start of this series. So I hope you guys can see that. I can't move it around as much. It's dried with minimal texture. It's not as flat over there as I'd like it to be, but it actually adds like cool detail to the painting because it almost looks like I intentionally did that, created those lines through there. Purple has metallic in it. The green that I added has metallic in it as well. And I also like that it is mostly dark with just those few flows or areas of color, and that it's not completely throughout the canvas because this is a Galaxy series. But someone did say, I really like to see your paintings when they are dry, so I am definitely going to be intentional about that and show you more of my artwork when it dries. The canvas that I'm working on today is an 18 by 24 inch canvas. Here are the colors that I plan to use up today. These three are from yesterday's pour, and I added these three. The technique I'll be doing today will be a combination of techniques. I am not 100% sure if I want to do a straight pour, but I want to do a straight pour with more of the darker colors, so I still get the Galaxy vibes. Or if I want to do an open cup, but do the reverse ring inside of the open cup. Yeah, I think I'll do that. It's a little bit more fun, and I haven't done it before. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and, I didn't think about that. I think stretching it out probably was, as much as I did, was a bad idea because that doesn't have much to sit on. And I hope this doesn't mess up anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and have to do this because I need something for the paint to actually move around. Over. I don't know. Okay. So I did it from high up, and that's okay. So I can get some cool entries and designs. So far, I don't see anything. I don't see anything happening. I'm just gonna move the paint around in a second. Just wanted to give it a moment to do what it needs to do because nothing's happening. Some few things there, but that's it. Uh-oh. Something just fell there. Okay. I don't know what I just did there. Series. Oh, I can't even. Balancing act. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Okay, I don't know. I don't think I want it this dark though. Uh-oh, and I don't even have to do all of that. I keep forgetting. With the 18 by 24s, you can go just like this. As long as you don't like do it too aggressively. We're just about to see what happens here. Oh, I'm afraid to do this. Okay, but I'm gonna have to try. I don't know. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna do it over. Okay? Just gonna pour again. Because I don't know if I like it. What I got going on over here right now. Ahead and pour over this before this starts to dry. And I'm just gonna do a semi-straight, oh no, let's go gold. Just a little bit, not that much. I don't want that much gold in this painting. I just want it as like a highlight. And then add since it does have the satin enamel in it. And then, so I think I'm just gonna do let's just do a straight pour in the middle with a reverse ring at the end. Okay, and then let's do some black around this, because see, the thing is, this is not that much paint on the canvas, so I need that to flow. Okay. Yeah, see, it's not that much paint, so it wouldn't move as much, but we're gonna get it together. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this puppy together. Flip it around like a pizza. Like a pizza toss. Definitely feeling a little better about the composition now. I still need to get to that corner there. Don't know if I'm gonna make it, honestly. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if I'll make it over there. I'm gonna try, that's for sure. Much better. Much better. I'm gonna get that corner in a second. But much better. It's very dark. Definitely giving galaxy vibes. And much better. Have this sort of bigger size paintbrush, so I'm gonna take the paintbrush and I'm gonna dip it in the gold like so, not a lot. Okay, so and I'm gonna flicker the gold in the gold spots in the painting is going to be in representation of the stars. Okay, so I don't want to, there we go. Like, I don't want them too big and I don't want a lot of them. So you want to keep flicking and that'll help out. Okay, like, I don't want really big stars, but I do want to create that Andromeda effect. So I think this painting is going to be named Andromeda. See, now that is not what I was going for, but I'm gonna leave it. So I just kind of wanted to create like just dots, but hey, some stars are much more. You don't want too much paint because then you'll get those flickers like that. But you want enough so that if you tap it, I just want a few more. See, if I keep flicking it like that, then it gets all, the stars might be a little bigger, and I don't want that. That was a little bigger, but I think that is gonna be it. And I'm actually going to, here's a smaller paintbrush. This is probably the paintbrush I could have used to create that, but that is perfectly fine. Just to not make them so big. Actually, what you want to do in a situation like right there is to take some black and sort of get most of that away. There we go. Much better. Take some black here. Kind of just blotch that away. Like so. Okay? Okay, yeah, see, this worked a lot better than the the bigger paintbrush. And I just want to get some of it out, you know? Okay. I am much happier with this. I'm glad I decided to add the okay, wait, I'm not done. This was much easier. Too big. See, I've never done this before, so okay, I'm done. I am extremely happy with it now. And I can't wait to see how it dries.